Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into the world of Compute Engine Google Cloud's core infrastructure service. It's where powerful virtual machines come to life, leveraging Google's advanced data centers. From small-scale deployments to enterprise-grade applications, Compute Engine scales seamlessly with your needs. Google Cloud Engine has 5 different types of machines. Let's pass through all of them. General-purpose machine types are the versatile backbone of Compute Engine. These VMs provide a balanced blend of computing power and memory ideal for running diverse applications such as web pages, e-commerce sites, and business applications with efficiency and reliability. My advice, if you do not know what types of machines to use, try to start using general-purpose machine types. When your tasks require maximum performance, compute-optimized machine types offer the highest speed CPUs to power through the most demanding work. Perfect for high-performance computing, intensive gaming, and detailed simulations, they push the boundaries of processing capabilities. For applications that eat up large amounts of memory-optimized machine types deliver. With the highest memory to vCPU ratio available, they excel in large database operations and in-memory computing, offering the throughput and latency needed for data-intensive tasks. For storage-hungry applications, storage-optimized machine types are the ideal solution. They are engineered to provide the highest disk throughput and I/O and are perfect for large-scale database applications, data warehousing, and big data processing that require extensive reading and writing to and from persistent storage. Accelerator-optimized machine types are built for the most compute-intensive applications. They are tailored to accelerate tasks such as graphics rendering, complex computations, and machine learning inference by harnessing the power of GPUs. With these specialized VMs, you can significantly speed up processing times and tackle advanced computational challenges. Did you know that questions about GCP Compute Engine are some of the most common during certifications? If you want to test your knowledge before taking the exam, we have great news for you. Our experts have prepared premium practice tests. By using the promo code SMARTCloud44, you can get up to a 30% discount. Check the links in the description. You can optimize your cloud budget with Compute Engine's cost-efficient pricing. Sustained use discounts automatically reduce costs for consistent use, while Preemptible VMs offer even lower prices for flexible short-term tasks without commitment. Compute Engine has a lot of features and capabilities, which are literally impossible to cover in a short video. These include data storing using file and block storages, networking with internal, external, static, and ephemeral IP addresses, load balancing using instance groups, speeding up your deployment with startup scripts and templates, etc. The potential use cases for Compute Engine are vast and varied. It's the platform of choice for everything from running websites and databases to high-performance computing. Thank you guys. Subscribe and follow us.